Hello there, phono friends. In the past, people have asked a couple times whether or not a record that's missing a piece can be fixed, and the general consensus has often been that it cannot, and I'm here to show how it can be done. You'll see that this disc here is two colors. The part in black is one that I made by making a silicone mold of the section just before it. The grooved area that you see is about ½ an inch, and on the outside perimeter of a 78 RPM record, that represents something around 2/100ths of a second. So copying the noise directly before the missing area is simply a repeat, and for that brief of a time frame, it just simply blends right in, as opposed to putting in some wax and etching in grooves, which would give a blank spot, which would be audible and disrupting. See here that the rest of the record is in pretty good condition. So the copy is done with silicone mold, which is then removed and filled with a polyurethane resin. And the piece then, just as a jeweler fits a diamond into a ring, the piece is meticulously carved out under magnification and then painstakingly glued in, and any little bits on the edge, I fill those in with candle wax. How does it sound? Let's see for ourselves. So yes, while the tick is audible at the beginning of the transition, you will notice that it is almost impossible to tell that it's that same piece that's repeated. Why not? Let's hear it one more time.